shutting down.
Yeah, the engine's going too.
Oh.
So why don't you
Take them up a little bit.
yeah, take them up real quick. Come on back down so we can get this thing out of the way. You got to get this up out so the truck can get out of here.
Hold on. You're all right. I'm right here with you. Put your hand on my brother.
What a nice view. All right.
Go to the left, all right?
Right. There goes.
All right. Whoa. Hold on to them.
I'm a little scared.
I know. Can't be.
I'm a wee bit scared.
Got him?
Yeah, I can. There goes the truck.
How you doing? You okay?
I'm fine. I'm all right. I got a little scared when I'm
I
on
know.
the
That's why you
heights.
just hold on to me. That's all.
Yeah.